Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to another question and answer session for MRCS exam. First of all, read the question here. A 19 years old female is admitted with suspected meningitis. The house officer is due to perform a lumbar puncture. What is the most likely structure first encounter when the needle is inserted? So here, first of all, we have to find out the key point that a patient 19 years old female due to suspected meningitis lumbar puncture will have to be done. So and during the lumbar puncture procedure, the first structure which encounter the needle, we have to find out the structure. Here the options. So the options are ligamentum flava, denticulate ligament, dural sheet, pia mater, and supraspinatus spinous ligament. So we have to find out one of the structure which will present first during the needle insertion. So here this is the lumbar puncture procedure, and here we can see a needle inserted in the lower part of the vertebral column, and this needle is inserted through this structure, and finally it reaches the spaces which is located between this area, and the cerebrospinal fluid is collected through this needle. So here we can see the different structure. We have to find out the name of this first structure, and here we can see the cerebrospinal fluid. It is collected in the thecal sac surrounding the spinal cord here and also here. So here the name here from this area, needle inserted from here. So first of all, most outside this is skin, then subcutaneous layer and buccal muscle. Then we can see three important ligament. One is the supraspinatus ligament, then interspinous ligament, then ligamentum flava. So supraspinous ligament, interspinous ligament, and ligamentum flava, these three important ligament which is located from here to here, and they protect the spinal cord. So we have to pass the needle through it, and most outer structure here, this is the supraspinous ligament, then another ligament which is interspinous ligament, then ligamentum flava. So these three important ligament, it will have to pierce to reach up to here to collect this CSF fluid or cerebrospinal fluid in the subarachnoid spaces. So this is the another picture, and here we can see this is the a pot, CSF pot, where the CSF is collected, and this is the spinal needle, and it bears the following structure. First of all, this first one, the first layer, this is the skin, then second two layer which is this subcutaneous tissue, this fatty area. Here we can see the yellow, that means it is the fat. Then third layer which is the supraspinous ligament, this is the supraspinous ligament, that means it overlies the spinous process of the vertebra column. Then interspinous ligament, here the 4 number, that means between the two spinous process. Then the ligamentum flavum, here we can see this is the ligamentum flavum, and then epidural space, dura mater, and arachnoid space, and subarachnoid space, and CSF is located in the subarachnoid spaces. So here our answer is ready. It is the supraspinous ligament. So the lumbar puncture needle, first of all we have to encounter the supraspinous ligament. Other two structures also present, such as the skin and superficial fascia, but they are not present in this option. So first structure, the supraspinous ligament, then the interspinous ligament, then ligamentum flava. And denticulate ligament, they are not pierced by the needle. Dural sheet, it is pierced, but it is more inside. And pia mater, usually it is not pierced because the cerebrospinal fluid is located in the subarachnoid space. So for lumbar puncture, first top structure or first ligamentum structure, we have to pierce, and this is the supraspinous ligament. Thank you all.